Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen today with Mrs. Rogers. Now we are making homemade hummus, which is really important to know how to do because you can spice it up, herb it up, change the flavors. So stay tuned. So, the main ingredients of hummus are chickpeas and tahini. Now, the reason this is so quick and easy is I'm actually going to just use Mrs. Rogers sesame seeds to make the tahini, because all tahini is pureed sesame seeds. I'm also using my bullet machine, but if you have a food processor or something else which is going to whisk everything together, that's fine as well. So, I need to use 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. I've got a can of chickpeas and some other nice little ingredients ready to go. So, around about 2 tablespoons, these little guys. And the good thing about Mrs. Rogers is it does have its resealable pack, and I just kind of push a little bit harder than normal to get it back in. And voila, back to square one. Now, I'm going to pop some oil. You want to use about 1/4 cup of oil in total. However, I'm just wanting to get these seeds all blended up. Okay, so we'll try that. Now you want to sort of get it to a stage where your sesame seeds don't look like seeds anymore. And that is about right. So, now we want to put in all our flavors and keep going with making the sauce. I've got a teaspoon of mashed minced garlic there. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of ground cumin. Now, we love cumin in this family, so we'll put in a teaspoon first and then we'll see how it comes, how it tastes more importantly. We're going to put in some salt. Oops. Spill it on my hand as well, and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just going to start with about a tablespoon. I might increase that. So we're wanting to put in our chickpeas. Now I'm not going to put them all in just for the first instance because I'm wanting to check the consistency, whether I need more oil, etc. I'm just going to start with half, and these chickpeas are just canned chickpeas that I have just drained through the can, nothing special. I'm just wanting to get that getting chunky. In the bullet you might need to shake it a few times. And I'm still shaking it. And you can hear that working, grinding away. Okay, let's have a look and see how we're going. Might need a little bit of a scoop down and a stir. Oh, that is looking beautiful. Look at that. Now, important, taste. Oh, that is really, really yum. I'm going to put a little bit more of the lemon juice and whiz that up just because I like a kick to my hummus. Now, the great thing with this is that you can use pretty much any of Mrs. Rogers' herbs and spices. Give it another shake. And it's really great for lunch boxes because let's face it, trying to get kids to eat sort of fruit bits or vegetables is hard, but if they were going to dip their vegetables in this, I can guarantee you that at least this would be eaten. The vegetable might be used as a spoon or a utensil for dipping. Now, I'm just going to try and scoop that out. I could keep going with this and put the whole can in, add a little bit of more oil, etc. to make a good amount. But chickpeas in the can are so cheap, and I wanted to show you how easy, with just a few other little bits of flavor, how much you can actually make. So look at that, it is so yum. You could serve that as a dip, you could serve it on top of tacos or your wraps. your kebabs, or put it in a container and they can take it to school to have with their wraps or their veggie sticks or some pita chips. So much you can do. So guys, this is a really good one to have. I'm definitely going to not have this in my fridge for long, because man, that tastes really, really good. Another great lunchbox idea from Mrs. Rogers. See ya.